In today's video, I'm going to teach you master Canva animations like a pro. We'll focus on two powerhouse techniques that give you smooth, professional motion right inside Canva, without touching traditional keyframes. Start by opening your design so you can see your slide timeline at the bottom. First up is match and move. Canva's closest equivalent to keyframing. Think of it as telling Canva where an element begins on one slide and where it should end on the next. And it fills in the in-between perfectly. Place an element like a logo on your first slide. Now copy that exact element to the next slide and change how it looks in space. You can reposition it, scale it up or down, rotate it, and even adjust its transparency. The key is that it's the same element carried across two slides, just in a different state. To animate it, hover your cursor between the two slides in the timeline until you see the transition icon. Click it. Then choose Match and Move. Instantly, Canva creates a smooth transition that animates position, scale, rotation, and transparency between those slides. Keep your moves clear and intentional for the cleanest result. Big, readable changes work best. If something looks off, return to either slide and tweak the element's placement or size. A quick preview will help you confirm the flow before moving on. Now let's create custom motion paths for moments when presets like breathe or pan feel too rigid. Select the element you want to move. Click Animate at the top and choose Create an Animation. You'll see your canvas enter a recording mode. Click and drag the element along the exact path you want it to travel, and Canva records that motion. For straight, precise moves like a clean left to right slide, hold Shift while you drag. If your hand-drawn path feels a bit wobbly, use the steady and smooth toggles to refine it. Steady helps keep your hand motion controlled as you draw, while smooth rounds any jittery edges after the fact. If the move doesn't feel right the first time, undo and try a simpler path or a shorter distance. Subtlety often looks more refined. When you are done, play it back to check the timing and flow relative to your other elements. Combine match and move for slide-to-slide continuity with custom motion paths for on-slide choreography. And you'll get a polished, cinematic feel in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching.